Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this new video lecture we discuss about the topic uncertainty principle and its mathematical expression. It is the part of quantum mechanics. In quantum mechanics part, the uncertainty principle is one of the most important topic, and in quantum mechanics the uncertainty principle is framed by Werner Heisenberg, and in the case of dual character of electron, for dual character of electron, in this case Heisenberg uncertainty principle is an important consequences for the dual nature of the electron. So according to the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, according to this principle, it states that Heisenberg uncertainty principle states that for a microscopic particle, or you can write this statement as it is impossible to determine both position and momentum of a microscopic particle with absolute accuracy at the same time. According to his statement that it is impossible to determine both the position and momentum of a microscopic particle with absolute accuracy at the same time or simultaneously. Means at the same time both the position of a microscopic particle and the momentum cannot be determined with absolute accuracy at the same time. So this is according to the Heisenberg principle. According to Heisenberg, for a subatomic particle like electron, we cannot determine the position of an electron and momentum of an electron with absolute accuracy. Okay, so this is according to Heisenberg, which means Bohr theory violates this Heisenberg principle, and for this reason for Bohr theory it was a limitations. Bohr theory predicts the position and momentum of a microscopic particle like electron. So it was a fault of Bohr theory, but in case of Heisenberg uncertainty principle, this one is successful for determining the dual nature of electron. So mathematically we can express it as del x into del p is greater than equal to h by 4 pi, where del x is uncertainty in position. This is uncertainty in position, and this is uncertainty in momentum. Uncertainty in momentum, and h is Planck's constant. h is Planck constant and pi is 3.14. It has a constant value 3.14. So this is the expression for Heisenberg uncertainty principle, mathematical expression, where for h which is called Planck's constant, for h you can take the value of 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second in SI unit, or in CGS unit you can write the value as 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 27 arg second, joule second or arc second. It is the value of Planck constant h. Okay, so and the mathematical expression can be written in alternative form also, del x del p greater than h by 4 pi. This is the expression, mathematical expression of uncertainty principle. Here we can also substitute the delta p as m into delta v, m into delta v. So our equation will become del x into m into delta v greater than equal to h by 4 pi. This is another alternative form of Heisenberg uncertainty principle equation, del x into m into delta v, because momentum equal to mass into velocity, m into delta v greater than h by 4 pi, where delta v is the uncertainty in velocity, where delta v is uncertainty in velocity and m is the mass of the body or particle, mass of the particle, m is the mass of the particle and v is the uncertainty in velocity. And for this case we already know that del x is uncertainty in position and del p is uncertainty in momentum. So the equation for uncertainty principle is this one. For numerical calculation we can use these two equations for numerical calculation related to Heisenberg uncertainty principle. These two equations we can use, and we solve some numericals at the end of the topic, at the end of this class. Now it is important to discuss that is it meaningful for daily life of objects. So this is the question that we have to think about, that is it meaningful, means Heisenberg uncertainty principle has any meaning in our daily life objects? The answer is no. Answer is simply no. Uncertainty principle has no significance in our daily life object, because in daily life object the momentum, position and momentum not affected by photon. In our daily life the position and momentum of the daily life object in our daily life, the position of the object and momentum of the object, these two are not affected by photon, okay, anymore. And these are large size object, means the object that we use in our daily life. They have the mass, high mass. It is uncertainty principle is only applicable, only meaningful for the object that having mass of electron, in the range of the mass of electron. So only for that particles the Heisenberg uncertainty principle is useful, but for large size object it has no meaning. But theoretically you can use that uncertainty principle of a ball, tennis ball, or of a rifle bullet. Theoretically you can consider it, but practically it has no meaning, because these particles are this substance or this object is large size object. So this is about the meaningfulness of this principle, and after completing this we start the discussion about numerical problems. Some numerical problems that we need to complete. Suppose in our examination such some numericals are given to us, then we have to solve the numerical. And for numerical you don't need to be hesitate, no need to make any difficult thinking, because the numericals that are coming from this Heisenberg uncertainty principle are extremely easy for you. Just you have to use the formula that is given by Heisenberg, and then your calculation is just done. Okay, suppose for a problem the uncertainty of position is given to us as 10 to the power minus 10 meter, and uncertainty in velocity is given to us 5.27 into 10 to the power minus 24 meter per second. Uncertainty in velocity and uncertainty in position both are given to us, and you have to find the mass of the particle, mass of the object, for which the uncertainty in position is 10 to the power minus 10 meter, and uncertainty in velocity is 5.27 into 10 to the power minus 24 meter per second. So we solve this problem. For solving this problem, our equation is del x into m into delta v equal to h by 4 pi. This is our equation by which we can solve this numerical problem. So here we have the value of delta x, we have the value of delta v, we have the value of h pi, and we have to calculate the value of m. So m equal to h by delta x, delta v, and 4 pi. We are making the formula for calculation of m into delta v, where m is h by 4 pi delta x into delta v, because both are coming in the denominator of this equation. So right now the equation is h by delta x into delta v and 4 pi. Okay, so by this equation we can solve the problem. Here m equal to h means Planck constant 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, because these values are given in SI unit. This is in SI unit, so therefore we have to use the value of Planck constant in SI unit, joule second. So h is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Delta x is 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Okay, and now value of delta v is 5.27 into 10 to the power minus 24 meter per second. This is the value of delta v, 5.27 into 10 to the power minus 24 meter per second, and by calculating the values we get the result. I am not calculating it, calculating it. I already calculated it previously, and the answer is nearly 100 kg, nearly 100 kg, or you can find 0.99999 like answer. Sorry, 99.999 kg, and that is equal to, I am making it 100 kg. So actually have some problems with it. Answer is 0.0999 kg. The answer of this problem is 0.0999 kg. This is the answer of this problem. So you have to understand the equation first to solve the numerical from this Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So you understand this topic, that what is actually Heisenberg uncertainty principle in quantum mechanics, and what is the mathematical expression for quantum Heisenberg uncertainty principle, and how to solve the numerical from Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So these are the discussions for this topic. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video is helpful to you, then you like this video and can subscribe this channel.